Rolling now from your right for another spirited display. This is the 737-10. Various versions of this, the MAX family, have -10, -9, -8, -8, -200, too many dashes here, and a -7. Again, a sparkling departure. The 737-10 incorporates the latest technology with really good efficiency to operators. Increased seating capacity up to 230 passengers fuel in this flight. 737s have been around for a long time, and I know someone in Boeing is listening, because yesterday I made the aircraft a lot older. They said the first flight was in April 1957, and that was a typo by Mark. What he meant to put in 1967 was just sitting on the key. I'm sorry, nothing to do with my banking. So 737s have been around for 55 years, and a very popular and efficient airframe they are in all the different combinations. Over 14,500 737 variants have been ordered. Just shy of 10,000 737 at Farnborough. Boeing announced that they'd sold to Delta Airlines 100 Boeing 737-10s, the ones like you see in front of us. Of course, Delta, the Atlanta-based airline, also taken options to purchase an additional 30 of the jets. Boeing has now sold the MAX to all major US carriers, the others being, of course, American Airlines, Southwest, and United Airlines. They're going to be using the same engines that are on the one that is flying in front of us. That is the CFM LEAP 1B engines. The 737-10 can serve up to 230 passengers, range around about 330 nautical miles. Large displays in the flight deck. Flying experience with operational commonality across all members of the 737 MAX family. Coming into land, 737-10 from Boeing. I do like the colour scheme, by the way, as well. The next item is due to be on in about 4 minutes' time. Just gives us time to get the 737 back hooked up, and then there'll be both the 73 and the 350 to push back into static displays. We'll have a closer look at them. 73 will go to the far right. I think that's where the push through is for that. The 350 is already coupled up.